Guys, we're coming across the mystery machine right now. This is crazy. Oh my. This is something. 1967, I think. Let's get a closer look. Yo, let's look at these two tanks. This is crazy, man. We're back again with another vlog. Right here, the world's largest auction. Guys, look at this tanker. Oh my God. Look at this. This thing is huge. Oh my God. These are huge tanks. Oh boy. Wow. That's something. Yeah, guys, two 1968 tanks. This is something. Wow. Yo, this is crazy right here. Wow. This is something. Let's see if we can go in here. Oh, wow. Look at that. Wow. This is something. Wow. Look at the back of this one. Whoa. Something. Look at that. Oh my God. I guess as we go up. Look at this 1978 Lincoln Continental. Very nice. Show you the stats up here. Look at this thing. What in the hell? The compensator? Wow. This is crazy. Let's get the stats on this for you. 2008 Ford F650. This is something. I don't think I've seen a 650. Oh wow. Look at that, boy. Oh boy. Alright guys, let's check out what year this bus is. Let's see what this says up here. 2006. Yeah, going in, guys. She's pretty cool. Look at this. Look at this. Got everything in here. Stove. Look at that.
Oh my gosh, it's
Yeah, it's nice. Wow. Wow, look at this. Look at this, just a different angle. Let's get the stats for you. Look at this 2019 Mercedes-Benz. Let's go in here, see what it's looking like. Wow. Very nice. Look at the steering wheel. Look at this 1991 armored truck. Oh wow. Try to take you around the whole thing. Look at this. They got the back open. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Peek inside for you. Look at this. Crazy. They put the money. Look at this 1955 pickup. This is nuts. Wow. Get closer for y'all. It's crazy. (1973) Volkswagen. Look at that. Great for the beach. It's called The Thing. That's something. Look at this. Card is still available. Look inside. So roomy. 1989 Dodge Shelby pickup. Look at the stats. Something, right? Just wanted to show you this today. Look at this pickup. Let's get a price on it. Not a price, maybe a year. The high bids at $3,000. 1965. Pretty nice. Let me show you. Guys, we're coming across the mystery machine right now. This is crazy. Oh my. This is something. 1967, I think. Let's get a closer look. Oh wow, guys. It's pretty cool. Go inside and stuff. Get the year for you. I'll show you the inside if you want, real quick. Wow. Look at this. Excuse me. Crazy. Look at that.
66.
Something. Look at this 2020 Durango, police equipped. Wow. Something. Showing you inside, in case you never seen. Look at that. That's crazy. Look how they have the back seat. How hard it is. It's crazy. Look at this. This is nuts, dude. You hear that? It's crazy. This is something, boy. Oh wow. Let's get the stats on this. Bring you up close to it. Something, right? Wow. 2016. Here's just the other side for you. Pretty crazy, right? Coming up on this. What year is this Escalade, guys? Can you tell me? Just try to figure it out. (2007). Check this out. Something. Get a year on this. 1985. That's something. Show you inside. Oh boy. Something.
Oh, I see it.
Right next to it, look at this 1966 Volkswagen. Pretty nice. Oh wow. Something. Look at this 1970 C10 pickup. Look at that. Show you the stats. That's crazy. Pretty nice. Look at this, dude. Wow. Look at that.
Look at the fucking is that like a 3-speed transmission?
Crazy, look at that.
Or is that forward and
I
reverse?
think that's neutral and forward.
Crazy.
Yeah,
That's something. Look at that. Wow. Look at this stallion. This is something. 2009. Look inside, dude. It's crazy. It's crazy here, guys. Look at this. From this angle. Wow. 1928 Model A to the left and a 1930 to the right. Look at this, boy. Wow. Look inside. So crazy. Just a different time. Look at this one from the back. Wow. The tires. Something, guys. They got the something. Everything was stick. Something. Back up for you guys. Crazy, right? Look at this boat. 1995. I'm gonna show you. Go up the stairs. Oh wow, here's like the driver's side. Passenger. Oh wow, look at the back and how that comes up like that. Got back here. Crazy. Nuts. There's the back of it. So you know, let you go up here. Check it out. Pretty cool.